Hey, welcome. My name is Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 11 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In this video, we will explore the concept of nesting tags in HTML. Let's dive in. Nesting tags refer to the practice of placing one HTML element inside another HTML element. And the best example is the HTML itself. It has two nested children, the head and the body. So when you're nesting your tags, it is important to ensure that the opening and the closing tags are properly aligned. And we do this by adding a space like this. So this helps to maintain the hierarchy and the structure of the content. Now to do nesting in HTML, it's simply place the opening tag of one element inside the opening and the closing tags of another element, and make sure you close all the element. Let's see an example. On my screen, I have a shopping list, and then I have an ordered list. Then inside my unordered list, I have fruit and veggies. Then pay attention, inside the fruits, I have an ordered list. Apple and banana. Also inside the veggies, I have an ordered list of carrot and broccoli. So this is an example of nesting in HTML. So the reason I'm bringing nesting right now is because you'll see this all the time in HTML. Also, I want you to get comfortable nesting elements. And there you have it, nesting tags in HTML. This practice is essential, so make sure you understand it before moving to the next video to link pages. Thanks for watching, and get time to code. I'll see you in the next one.